guys how to get the narrow. This narrow. See this. City of Hero. Yeah, see it. I got it. How to get without the Robux with the glitches. I know how to make the glitches. Okay, let's reset it. I give you it. Okay, we reset. I don't know what to say. Okay, we are on there. They are on there. We have to this. We're on for the seat, the train. Must we go to the where? Anyway, we have to go to this. How to got the what? I want to got this. I don't know what to do. I want this after I'm play this with my friend. But I don't know if I can get that train on this. I don't know so, but I get the glitches. I got glitch. I don't know how to get it. I don't know what to have get. I don't know very much. I don't know. I must be to go this. The terror of death. I go. I know see. I go what to get this, but see this. Yes, I get it. Must be we have to go the wall. We must be to get to wall. This wall, and we get the arm for the seat, and we get it. Train City of Terror, and we get every train like this street. Bye. I see you next time with glitches.